Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. This is the vlog quarantine cooking show. I am in Los Angeles now, and because I missed Filipino food so much, I'm going to be marinating some beef tapa, and tonight I'll be preparing a chicken adobo. But for now, we have some basic ingredients here. I have my liquid aminos or soy sauce alternative, fish sauce or patis, tons of garlic, definitely some pepper, black pepper, red pepper, my rib eye which is whole, which I have to cut into little bite-sized pieces, and some vinegar alternatives. So I have 4 types of vinegar here. I have the balsamic vinegar, another white balsamic vinegar, rice vinegar, and apple cider vinegar. First order of business is to chop some garlic. Okay, so we're done chopping the garlic. I'm not using everything because I will cook some steak for lunch also. Now we're gonna be balancing the flavors for the marinade. 50% of the soy sauce and about 50% of the mixed vinegar. So normally what I'm going to do is I start with the vinegar, and it's easier for me to do that because I can just add the soy sauce after. First off, we will start with the pepper. Look at that. I'm going to cook half of this for lunch and half for the marinade. Touch of the balsamic to give it some really tangy vinegar flavor. What happened? So I finally balanced all the flavors, and I've thrown the meat and the marinade together, which is like so. So now we're gonna add the last, which is the chili flakes. Boom. Okay, this is gonna go in the fridge and stay there for about 3 days before we cook them. So I just finished my lunch, and now it's time to make dinner. We're gonna do a chicken adobo with just these 2 massive chicken pieces. Look how big these things are. Massive. So what I'm gonna do is actually section the leg from the quarter, just so that we have 4 pieces, and it's almost the same ingredients as our beef tapa marinade. Again, the liquid aminos, this time with bay leaves. I kind of like to wing this and work everything to flavor. I always start with the vinegar. Looks like a lot, but we're gonna reduce this down later on. Then I like tasting everything. Not bad. Add a little more vinegar, different flavors. So with adobo, I like to get more acidity than salt. So more vinegar flavor, because you can always add salt after you're done cooking it. That works out. Okay. So while the pan is heating up, I'm going to section our chicken. We're going to pat it down. Join. There you go. Voila. Need to get that really hot so that we can brown the chicken, especially because the chicken's a little cold. Olive oil in, nice and hot. Now we're gonna move it to the bigger flame. Garlic in. Sauce in. And I'm gonna add some water to it. Add our bay leaves. I like to put 2 bay leaves. We're gonna bring this to a boil and then cover it. And we're just gonna leave this for maybe 2 hours. We'll come back to it. Now reduce it the heat. We'll do just about there. Got a cover. I'm gonna taste the sauce real quick just to make sure that it's not too salty. Because it's salty, we're gonna add some more water. Then I'm gonna boil it down again. But look, the chicken's already falling off the bone. Give it another taste. Everything that I do to taste. I don't follow many recipes. I look at different recipes and then I decide which works for me, and I just figure it out based on my flavor preferences. Salivating so bad. Some kimchi. Time to eat. Wish you guys could smell how awesome this is. Baby, your food is ready. Good morning, everyone. Breakfast today, it's Saturday. Gonna start off with some plain yogurt. This is Greek yogurt. I like to pick my yogurt with low sugar, so you can always see the sugar. This one says 4 grams. Gonna be mixing some flax chia. We have some manuka honey. So start off with yogurt. Brought out the beef tapa. I'm gonna be pulling some strips out and removing the sauce so that I can pan fry it. Egg, kimchi, and some rice. Time for some breakfast. All you're gonna need is your olive oil. The beef tapa is now room temperature. We're gonna get rid of the excess liquid, an egg, some garlic, nori, and kimchi. So I like to use one pan for everything. Crushed some garlic. Okay, nice and chunky. Put our olive oil in. Put some water on the rice just to give it some moisture from drying out in the fridge. Ooh, nice. So I don't like overcooking the garlic because I don't like the taste of burnt garlic. So it's really up to you how much you want to cook the garlic down before you add the rice. I need to add a little more rice. Nice and sticky. I want to break the rice up. Give it some spice. It's gonna be epic. It's like a Korean Filipino TapChiSiLog. Kimchi silog. We won't salt this anymore because we will get all the salt from the tapa. Sliced pepper. A little more olive oil. Egg. Just fold it, fold it, fold it. Alright. Nice and crispy. Last touch of olive oil, not too much. Make sure to caramelize and hit every side. Oh, smells so good already, guys. And heat off. Pan's still nice and hot. And it's getting nice and really browned out. And it's gonna be an epic brunch. Hope you guys are enjoying your weekend and hope you guys learned something from this recipe. And the proportion's a bit off. Again, I would have used little less rice, but then again, I do like eating rice. So enjoy, guys. Cheers!